Suffolk University's College of Arts and Sciences prepares students to adapt and thrive in a rapidly changing world.
There is something really special about Suffolk students. They're scrappy, they're hungry, they want to work, they want to be challenged.
The strength of our students are their diversity. It is not only about gender, race, or ethnicity, but also about the stories that they have to tell.
The way we prepare students for the workforce is to put them to work.
Through projects, internships, guests that we bring into class, we want students to feel the connection between the theoretical level to practical applications.
I think the location of Suffolk is absolutely amazing. There's a buzz, there's an excitement in the air, you feel like you're part of something big.
Boston is a great place for the Black Studies program because so much of 19th century Black Studies history happened here. When you go to an actual site where something took place that's more meaningful, more memorable.
In my class, Voting Rights and Election Law, I have students serve as poll workers. On election day, they are the ones who are handing ballots to voters, and they want to come back because they love being in service to the community.
We are next to two superior courts, two district courts, state police. We have the State House. We have faculty members who are also from these agencies that will walk over and teach classes here at Suffolk.
Boston, Massachusetts is the largest supercluster of biotech and pharma in the world, which means there's hundreds of companies literally a few T-stops away.
My goal is to become a radiation therapist, and my studies at Suffolk University are preparing me to reach that goal. My internship at Mass General Hospital gives me an opportunity to make an impact in the community here.
Every day, I see our students making vital connections that will prepare them to join thousands of Suffolk alumni working around the globe.
Every faculty in the program will know you by name, by face.
They provided mentorship, and being able to talk to them and feel like I'm a part of the school was amazing.
We try to get students equipped to participate in society. No matter what changes come, they will have something with them they can use to help navigate that.
And the classes and the professors that I had really inspired me to approach life with curiosity and approach every problem as not a problem but something yet to be learned. And that totally changed the way that I view my world.